If you're tired of soggy soap, our soap holder dish is your solution. Attach it to any wall or sink effortlessly to keep your soap dry and ready to use. Its efficient drainage system ensures no more mess. This stylish holder is a must-have for every home. Click the bio link to get yours now.
If you can't afford an AC, this portable mini cooler is a great option. You can add water and ice inside to get cool air. It is portable and you can carry it with you anywhere. Get yours now.
Have you ever seen such an amazing tool for home cleaning? Introducing the extendable gap cleaning brush with an extra long handle. It is very useful for your home. It bends easily to reach tricky corners and narrow gaps very quickly. With a handy hanging design for quick air drying, it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Get yours now and simplify your cleaning routine like never before. Cleaning was never easy without this rotatable cleaning wiper. It cleans water without leaving watermarks on mirrors. The wiper's softness helps maintain a streak-free shine. The wiper glides smoothly in difficult-to-reach areas. Order for your home now. Tired of carrying keys? Introducing the Smart Fingerprint Identification Lock. With advanced fingerprint technology, this lock allows you to open doors, cabinets, and more with just a touch. No more lost keys or forgotten combinations. Get the Smart Fingerprint Identification Lock today. Introducing incredible our 6-in-1 multifunctional camping lamp. Portable fast fan, giving relief in your journey. Lighting and charging all in one compact device. USB charging, or a batteries LED camping light with fan. Pull up to turn on, push down to turn off. Get yours today.
Transform your kitchen space with our innovative 5-layer wall spice organizer. Convenience, cleanliness, and a touch of elegance all in one. Our unique design makes full use of your kitchen space, combining convenience with style. Each spice box is designed to be flavorless, keeping your spices fresh and pure. It adds to the beauty of your kitchen. Order now.
Today we are showcasing the Wave Cutter, renowned for its exquisite design and practicality. Available in eye-catching yellow and green. It's more than just a slicer, it's a creativity catalyst in your kitchen. Perfect for garnishing salads or adding elegant designs to dishes. It offers durability, ease of use, and elevates culinary artistry. Whether you're a chef or a home cook, the Wave Cutter is the must-have for your kitchen toolkit.
This is the Jellyfish Solar Light. It uses solar power, charging during the day to light up your garden softly at night. You can place these lights in flower pots because they are waterproof. Enjoy magical evenings with the Jellyfish Solar Light.